Alright folks, this is going to be a slightly different video than what I normally make, but today I'm going to talk a little bit about these Cub Cadet tractors, more specifically to the Kohler motors that are in these guys. So now that I'm finally out on my own in the country, now in the winter time, I have to keep my driveway clear and I also have to be able to mow my grass in the summertime. Decided to put the investment in and buy this fancy piece of machinery to do all that, keep everything clear. And so far I've been very happy with it, but since this is brand new, I recently did my very first oil change on it. This tractor has about 50 hours on it. And I ran into my very first problem. I went to go drain the oil. Now, this is a very common part, not on just this tractor here, but almost any Kohler Courage motor or even Briggs & Stratton as far as I know. This side threads into the block, goes down to where it has a little bit more easy access, and you get a plastic end that you have to unscrew, and you'll notice there's a nice big crack there. My very first oil change, and of course it's cold. I did my oil change right after I finished using it, that way it's still nice and hot, and you know, you get the most amount of liquid to drain out. A little bit easier when it's a little bit more viscous. And that happened. So now I can't put the oil back in. But I did form a solution, and I'm going to share that with you guys today, so you guys don't go waste another $25 on this just to break it at your next oil change. So what you need to do, go to your local hardware store, go to the pipe fitting aisle. So this is 3/8 national pipe thread that goes into the side of the block. So I went and I got an adapter to go down to 1/4 inch. You can see my new setup. 3/8 in there, down to 1/4. That's a 4-inch 1/4 inch pipe with a 90-degree angle and a little valve. So that way I'm not farting around with this plastic gizmo. I made this valve so it opens upwards, and I would like to say it's far enough away from everything that it's not gonna run into any issues where you accidentally bump the valve open. And it is visible from up high, so you can keep an eye on it. If you don't like that, then you can just do a little pipe plug as well. It's up to you how you want to do that. But this repair ended up being $25, the exact cost to replace this guy. So to any of you Kohler guys out there, or even Briggs & Stratton, these newer designs are not very good. Because I know that the older style engines, it's literally just a little metal plug that screws into the bottom of the engine, and then that's it. We're gonna go plow the neighbor's driveway.